Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking today about the Fed, Jay Powell's decision. He will be releasing it today and how the market will react. I do think that we will have some good positive news today. I do think that the stock market will be moving upward in a nice green direction, but we'll definitely have to keep our eyes on that. Also, we will be talking about the latest news, the latest relationship with the US and the Chinese government, how it deals with Russia, the Ukraine war. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. I do have some very nice promotions down below. Don't forget to get your free stocks. Put in $1 into a Moomoo account will get you some NEO stock. Put up to $100 to get a free Lucid stock. Take advantage of that huge opportunity. Stay to the end so I can show you how you can get $17,500 in free stocks. Now, without further ado, I did just want to talk about the Fed chair. Jerome Powell will be addressing the nation today. The Federal Reserve has been in talks about increasing the interest rate hikes, and they have agreed, in my opinion, that they will be increasing it by 25 basis points, which is 0.25% interest rate increase to fight that inflation. We have seen inflation numbers continue to increase. This will be the very first time that we will be increasing the interest rate since the mid-2020s, since the interest rates have been near zero to fight the COVID and to give relief to a lot of companies, a lot of people, the US government, to stimulate the economy. We have now over-exhausted that. I do think that this pullback should have happened last year, but it's okay moving forward. It looks like that we will have a 0.25% increase in interest rates. And I do believe that this is already factored into the stock market. And I do think that the stocks are going to be responding quite nicely today. The Fed chair, Jay Powell, and the Federal Reserve is aware that we are in a war. They are also aware that the economy is very fragile at this time. However, they do have to fight that inflation, which is at now a 40-year high. It is close to 8%, which means that everything from food, gas, is getting more and more expensive, and they do have to fight that to bring that down to prevent us to going into a recession. Now, they do have to walk a very thin line because we do have, on one hand, the Russia-Ukraine war. On the other hand, we do have inflation that could put a huge downward pressure on the economy, on the stock market. So I definitely think that they are going to be walking a fine line, and I don't think that they're going to make any drastic increases in the interest rate hike, especially only that 0.25%. In the past, there has been talks that they could be increasing interest rates by 50 basis points. That's 0.5%. However, I don't think that they will be doing that because of the fragile economy, the fragile stock market that we do have right now. Now, transitioning to the U.S.-Chinese relations, we have heard that just on Monday, the U.S. and the Chinese government has been in talks, and they have had an intense talk in Rome that lasted about 7 hours. The U.S. made it very clear that the Chinese government should not involve themselves with Russia. They should not give them any aid because of this Russian-Ukraine conflict. The U.S. has put huge, strict restraints, sanctions on Russia for starting the war in the invasion with Ukraine. They have actually crippled the economy. They have put sanctions that have brought the ruble down, the Russian currency that is now worth less than 1 penny on the dollar. In addition to this, Russia's stock market is down incredible amounts, more than 60%. This is affecting the Russian economy. The U.S. has put strict sanctions, and all the U.S. allies are putting huge sanctions on Russia because of the invasion. They are asking Russia to back down. But now, as we know, Russia has reached out to China, its longtime aid, to see if they can get any military help or any aid against these sanctions. The U.S. has been made it crystal clear that China should stay out and should not help Russia. So we'll definitely have to keep our eyes on that. Now, on the relationship with the US government and Russian government, we have heard some potentially positive news in the market that there is one Kremlin official that is actually giving an upbeat tone on the discussions between the US and Russia with the Ukraine invasion, with the Ukraine war. And I did just want to share this with you. It looks like a Kremlin spokesperson by the name of Dmitry Peskov suggested a proposal to have Ukraine become a neutral country while keeping its armed forces. This could be viewed as a certain kind of compromise. If this is accurate, this was reported by Bloomberg. This will be incredible, great news to hopefully end this war, to end this invasion. But we'll definitely have to see and keep monitoring this. But I do think that we are getting at the bottom of this stock market crash, the stock market, huge correction. And hopefully we will start seeing some greener days ahead. Again, still my thoughts, my prayers go out to the Ukrainian people. Keep strong. And looks like we are hopefully going to end this war soon. We'll also get that good news, hopefully, from the Fed Reserve and start fighting this inflation. Remember that this is very difficult times, very volatile times for the stock market geopolitically. It is affecting a lot of people, but we also have to remember that the Ukraine people are going through a lot more than we are. We do need to be strong for them. And also, I do believe that the stock market will rebound as history has proved. So I hope that you like this video. I hope that this encouraging news does give you some hope into the futures. Remember to dollar cost average, diversify, and I think you're going to do great. But thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Don't forget to share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. Also, don't forget to use my link down below to Moomoo. Put in $1 to get a free NEO stock. Put in at least $100 to get an additional free Lucid stock. In addition to this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, which is a potential of getting $17,500 in free stocks, in free cash money. Take advantage of that huge opportunity, especially during these volatile, during these very stressful times. And thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.